Okay, you guys, we're back again looking at the same rig, except for the difference here is we added two NVIDIA cards to this rig running Kryptex, which is a mining software where I did another video on that, and I'll put that link in the description if you want to watch that video on how we set it all up. But this software allows you to not just mine AMD and NVIDIA cards, but you can combine them together. So, some operating systems like EthOS and other mining software does not allow you to mix cards, or sometimes it just doesn't work, or it crashes all the time. Kryptex, I've been running this particular rig, for a week straight, zero issues with AMD cards and NVIDIA cards. All right, so now let's go ahead and take a look, and I'll explain in more detail on these cards in this video clip. This is doing an update on our mining rig here. Well, one of the mining rigs. These are just some cards we had laying around from other rigs, so that's why you see this mismatch between them. But to be honest, the software can handle a variety of cards. I mean, here we have some MSI old generation 4 gig cards, and then we have an 8 gig card, 1070 Nvidia, and then we go back down to 4 gig, and then we have a newer 1650 only 4 gig card. But all of these are mining together. We just booted it up, so that's why you see some fans spinning, some not, because we're not mining yet, but it will be in a couple minutes. But like I said, this is pretty cool that you can have not only different video cards, but also different brands and manufacturers. I mean, we got AMD cards to NVIDIA cards, to older versions, to newer versions. We got a 1070 here and a 1650, 480 cards. So we just have a big variety. So this software is great if you have a variety of different cards, because I know EthOS sometimes only likes AMD cards or likes all NVIDIA cards. So if you are in that tight budget area and you need to have different cards mining different software, then this is perfect for you. The last thing I wanted to show you guys was a screenshot of this miner actually running. You can see our power usage, you can see the different hash rates we're running, the temperature, and then you can see the list of all the video cards. You can see we have 6 video cards, from that 1070 to the 1650 to the 480s, and you can see their power usages, their fan speed. So I mean, really, Kryptex is really cool. The software, you can really see everything that's running. You can see what's mining Ethereum, what's mining, a different altcoin. But that's it, you guys. I just wanted to show you how easy you can use one piece of software based off of Windows OS. So you do need Windows. You install it. You can throw out any video cards at it, really, with at least 4 gigs or more. And you can also use the CPU to mine, but I recommend using GPUs because obviously those are going to be better for you. But this software is very easy, and you can use practically almost any kind of hardware manufacturer on the planet. As always, thanks for watching, you guys.